Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 in 40 caliber. That weapon has 7+1 capacity, as you can see, and of course we ensure all weapons are unloaded. So this firearm here, the Crimson Trace light and laser combo is not working. So apparently the batteries are dead in it, so we're going to change that. Also, this gun has not been cleaned at all. It is extremely dry because the person who owns this gun said that it malfunctioned a few times, and by looking at it, well, the apparent reason is because no lubrication, which will do it every time. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble this weapon. All these M&P 2.0s disassemble the same. So the first thing you do, of course, make sure all firearms are unloaded, which we've already done. You lock the slide back, and then you flip the lever, the takedown lever, flip it down to the 6 o'clock position, and then from there let the slide come forward. You don't slam it forward, and then from there you have to pull the trigger, and then you're able to take the slide off the frame. Take the guide rod out, take the barrel out. This is extremely dry. See that? Not good at all. And then because the light and laser aren't working, I'm going to go ahead and disassemble that. So it's 3 Phillips screws, which are, I think this is a number 0 bit. You can even use a number 1 Phillips bit on this. All 3 of these screws are the same length, so you don't have to worry about putting the wrong one in the wrong spot. From there, this part comes out. Alright, so we've disassembled the firearm, and we've removed the battery, which is a CR2. So now we're going to put the new one in. Goes in like so, and then from here there's no dust inside of the mechanism here, so there's nothing that needs to be cleaned out right here. And then from here you just take the outer cover and you just line it up in place. Put it here, it's like a little hinge right here at the trigger housing, and then from there you just put this right here, and then the holes automatically line up, and from here you can put your screws back in. With this one, if you press the button that's in front of the grip, it illuminates the light as well as the green laser. And then if you press the one on the right side of it, then actually both switches do the same thing, illuminate the light and the laser. And if you hold the button down for a couple of seconds, then it'll just illuminate the laser. And so like I said, you hold it again, then it'll do the light and the laser simultaneously. But not this button, it's just this one here. There we go. And with this one, you can also change it to just have the light without the laser. So now, this is functional again. So now we're going to go ahead and lube this gun up. This gun does not have any dirt, does not have any kind of buildup, does not have any lint in it at all. It's just completely dry. So we're going to go ahead and lube this thing up and put it back together. Actually, there's a little bit of lint right inside the slide. Right here, so we're going to clean it up and lube it. Like I said before, you would be surprised to see how much dirt, dust, and lint will accumulate on a weapon just from carrying it. One more of these. That was good. Now we're going to put a little bit of lube on the outside of the barrel. Okay. Now we're going to put some of the heavier lube on the rails here. And like I said before, you don't need to put it on the rails of the frame and the slide, because one's going to transfer to the other. That's good. So now we're going to go ahead and reassemble it. Put the barrel inside the slide, like so that the way the hook part of it is facing this way. And then the guide rod, the black part right here, the sticker, that goes toward the front of the firearm. And you just compress the spring a little bit, put this in just like so. And from here, now you can put the slide onto the frame, line up the rails carefully, and then pull it back all the way, lock the slide back, and then from here, you flip your takedown lever back into the 3 o'clock position, and make sure it functions like it's supposed to. Yep, the slide is much easier now because it's lubed. Now this weapon should not malfunction anymore. And you see here's the light. Everything is as it should be. And then I'm gonna put this back how the customer had it, where it's the laser as well as the light that illuminate upon pressing the button. Oh, and it has strobe function as well. And there you have it. Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 40 cal. And remember to stay armed, stay vigilant, and stay tactical. We'll see you on the next video.